Hi, I'm Navya Kaul, currently a student of journalism in the Lady Shri Ram College for Women, Delhi University. I did my schooling from DLF Public School from humanities background, and I scored 97.8% in my class 12 board exams. It was beautiful, in a lack of better words. I found not just academic mentors, but I found a family where I got to not just solve my doubts, but gain hands-on experience, build a better understanding of concepts, understand it in practical real-life situations. Commerce Wale helped me with economics in my class 12 and with my CUET preparations, and I feel there would have been no better institution other than this for all these practices. I had taken Commerce Wale for my one-year course for CUET. So my preparation began a year before the exam. So it was much less burden as compared to last-minute and last-moment panics. I used to give dedicated amount of time for my studies, for my CBSE board examinations, as well as a little over 1 hour or 1.5 hours for my CUET practices. So consistency with what helped me. The faculty solved all my doubts, gave me much better confidence to to have the ability to solve all the questions. They helped me gain confidence over the topics I was less sure about. They helped me with every little discomfort I had, not just in a particular subject, but in overall competency of all the exams that I gave. It was a conscious decision to choose Commerce Wale because I had, the initial reason was because my friends were there, so I had heard good reviews. But I think when I went and entered and interacted with the faculty there, it just gave me, every day just gave me more reasons to stay because of all the experience that I had over the time. And I feel even if I had to, even if I could travel back in time and take a decision again, I would still go for Commerce Wale. So me and my friend Vanshita used to talk a lot with Neha ma'am and Srinivas sir, and after the classes we would laugh and talk heartily about and have brilliant conversations, not just regarding academics but about life in general. And I think that is what has stayed with me till date, that my teachers were not just my teachers, they were also my confidants and my friends over there who helped me become a better person. So my secret mantra was there is nothing called less time or less preparation. The more confidence that you have, the more prepared you want to be, it will always help you, no matter the time crunch. You just have to be, you just have to know what you need to do, and once you have that, once you achieve that, it is all going to be easy.